Do you struggle with alopecia edges? Have you gotten in a fight and got your edges pulled out? Were your braids too tight and caused you to have traction alopecia? Did you get a sew-in that almost gave you a headache? You want to take it out the same day? You are trying to struggle to regrow back your edges, right? That's why you clicked on this video. Well, guess what? So am I. So I am going to give you a edges faux hack that's going to make your edges look and give the illusion of being thicker and fuller. That way it'll match the rest of your hairstyle, give you confidence, and make you look good when you walk out in public. So if y'all ready to see this video, then let's go straight into it. Hey y'all, real quick. So the hairstyle is super cute. I want to do just a high puff in my hair. I got the edges laid down. I'm in the process of regrowing my edges with the Rogaine. So I've already put Rogaine on my edges, and these are the newly grown hairs that I have received over the last 4 weeks of me using this product. But I want my edges to look just a little bit thicker. So I'm going to show you how to create some faux edges just to complete the hairstyle. One product you're going to need is just a black liner pencil. And we're going to lightly brush swoop strokes just like this, because this is how we have our top swoops. So just start lightly stroking it, and you're going to start seeing like little hair strokes. Just start lightly stroking the pencil in a swoop type motion. Lightly. You don't want them to look super fake and phony. Just light. So you're just going to be darkening in the area that you want to create the faux swoops in. And these are hairs that, like I say, have recently grown by me using the 5% minoxidil Rogaine. I'm on a journey to see how much hair I can regrow back. But this is a quick and easy way to get your edges to look full. You want to have confidence, you want to go out in public, you want your hairstyles to still be cute. Right. So once you filled in your edges to make them look as full as you'd like, then go ahead and take a spoolie brush. And it's just an eyebrow spoolie, and just lightly go over those hairs, and that's just going to make the hairs look fuller, make them look realistic, and that way it'll blend in with the hairs that you just started regrowing. Go ahead and pull your scarf down, and there you have some faux edges. This hairstyle is super simple, very easy, and if you need more product, go ahead and add, but make sure you're adding light strokes at a time. And make sure you're taking your spoolie and you're blending the product into the hairs. And guess what? No one will ever know. For more content, please subscribe. See you again.